morning all of you. Hydroxy compounds alcohol. In this video, we are going to discuss the oxidation of glycol in different oxidizing agent, in presence of different oxidizing agent. Before enter into the oxidation of glycol, first of all, we should know about the primary alcohol oxidation reaction. Primary alcoholic functional group on oxidation is converted into aldehyde. Aldehyde which on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid COOH. This is primary alcoholic group. We know we have two primary alcoholic group in ethylene glycol. First oxidation takes place in presence of oxidizing agent nitric acid HNO3 or alkaline potassium permanganate. Here there is no carbon-carbon bond cleavage takes place. Remember this common reaction. Primary alcohol on oxidation gives aldehyde which on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid. In ethylene glycol we have two primary alcoholic group CH2OH. CH2OH. This is our glycol. We have two primary alcoholic group. Primary alcoholic group on oxidation. One primary alcoholic group on oxidation gives an aldehyde. The aldehyde further on oxidation gives carboxylic acid. The aldehyde further on oxidation gives carboxylic acid COOH. CH2OH. Correct? Primary alcoholic group undergo oxidation gives an aldehyde. Aldehyde further on oxidation gives carboxylic acid. Now, oxidize the next primary alcoholic group. We have here COOH and this primary alcoholic group undergo oxidation gives an aldehyde. Aldehyde further on oxidation gives carboxylic acid. One more path we have. So keep the first aldehyde group CHO. Now oxidize this primary alcoholic group. This primary alcoholic group undergo oxidation gives aldehyde. And this aldehyde group further on oxidation gives carboxylic acid. This is the oxidation reaction of glycol in presence of alkaline KMNO4 or nitric acid. When you see this reaction, there is no carbon-carbon bond cleavage takes place up to that oxalic acid. All these are containing 1, 2, 3. These three containing the alcoholic functional group. This is your glycol. Glycol. Now glycol contain one aldehydic functional group. Therefore, this is called glycoldehyde. Glycol containing one acid functional group. Therefore, this is called glycolic acid. Glycolic acid. When you see the glycol and this compound and the last compound, there is one similarity. Here the two group are primary alcoholic group, aldehyde group, acid group. We know the name of the last compound, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. First compound, primary alcohol, two primary alcohol, two aldehyde, two acid. The name of this compound is given by taking here three letters from this one is clyoxal. Clyoxal. Clyoxal contain one acid functional group. Therefore, this is called a clyoxalic acid. Oxalic acid. When you pronounce these three compound, similar pronunciation, glycol, glycoldehyde, glycolic acid, these three compounds, similar pronunciation, clyoxal, clyoxalic acid, oxalic acid. Now I am going to write the IUPAC name of all these compound. First one is 2 carbon eth, carbon carbon single bond N, OH all 2OH diol position 1,2. Ethane 1,2 diol. Here aldehydic and OH functional group are present. The preference given to aldehydic functional group. So 2 carbon, eth, carbon single bond N, aldehyde name end with L. When you give numbering, second carbon containing hydroxy, therefore the IUPAC name is 2-hydroxy eth N L. Come to this compound, COOH CH2OH. Acid and hydroxy are present, first preference given to the acid functional group. That comes as suffix, this one is prefix. 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond N, carboxylic acid name end with oic acid, ethanoic acid. When you give number 1, 2, second carbon containing 1 hydroxy, 2-hydroxy ethanoic acid, 2-hydroxy ethanoic acid. Come to clay oxide. 2 carbon atom eth, carbon single bond N, aldehyde L, ethanol, aldehyde L, 2 aldehyde group di, position 1,2, ethane 1,2 di-Al. Come to the IUPAC name of clay oxalic acid. Now I write the IUPAC name here. What is IUPAC name of that compound? 2 functional group, COOH and CHO. But carboxylic acid is called methanoic acid. From methanoic acid, 1 hydrogen is replaced by 1 aldehyde. Carboxylic acid is suffix, aldehyde prefix. If aldehyde comes prefix, its name is formyl. 1 carbon meth, carbon single bond N, oic acid, methanoic acid, 1 H is replaced by 1 aldehyde functional group. Therefore, formyl methanoic acid. Oxalic acid IUPAC name we know. 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond N, oic acid, dioic acid, ethane 1,2 dioic acid. Ethane 1,2 dioic acid. Now one more oxidation reaction we get. In this oxidation reaction, the oxidizing agent used is periodic acid HiO4. Here carbon bond cleavage takes place in ethanol. Now I write the molecular formula of glycol CH2OH, ethane 1,2 diol. When treated with periodic acid, in periodic acid, iodine oxidation state is +7. Around iodine, there must be 7 bond. I, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, 1 hydrogen. Total number of bonds around iodine is 7. Oxidation number of iodine is +7. 1 H plus and another H plus, O2 minus, removed as H2O. This becomes H plus, O2 minus. These 2 minus now added to iodine gives the intermediate product. The reaction takes place in presence of mineral acid H2O. Loss minus H2O gives CH2 bond oxygen, CH2 single bond oxygen. These 2 bonds are now added to iodine. Here you have double bond O, H. This compound undergo rearrangement gives carbon bond cleavage takes place. How? Now I am going to write the bond shifting. The iodine oxygen bond is shifted between carbon and oxygen, 1 bond shifting. This bond undergoes shifted and this bond is carried by iodine. Hi 1, 2, Now we are adding oxygen, so completely that is removed. Here you have one more point. We have 4 oxygen. I forgot to add one oxygen here, one oxygen here. HiO3. So what is the compound formed here? That is important. I write the compound. Here a double bond, there a double bond. Nothing but H, C, double bond OH. Formaldehyde plus carbon-carbon bond cleavage takes place. Here also double bond. H, C, double bond OH. Plus loss of HiO3. In periodic acid, the iodine oxidation state is +7. In HiO3, the iodine oxidation state is +5. An oxidizing agent oxidizes glycol into formaldehyde, but it undergo reduction. This is nothing but our formaldehyde. Like glycol, glycerol also undergo oxidation by periodic acid gives formaldehyde. Glycerol also gives formaldehyde when oxidized by using periodic acid. 1 carbon methane aldehyde end with ale, methanol. This is oxidation reaction of glycol with 2 different oxidizing agents. One is alkaline KMnO4, another one is periodic acid. In alkaline KMnO4, there is no carbon-carbon bond cleavage takes place. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the reaction of glycerol. Thank you very much.